Building anticipation for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Why this release is different too. New color, copper orange, metallic amber bold move from traditional Pro colors. Symbol of design evolution. Fan reactions and speculation theory. Expanded color options across models. iPhone 17 standard and pastel tones. iPhone 17 Air with unique hues. Apple's new focus on personalization through color. 4. Camera redesign and functional upgrades. Camera module changes. Rumors about vapor chamber cooling shift in Apple logo placement. 5. Camera hardware upgrades. Larger sensors, improved stabilization, advanced optical zoom, 8K video recording potential. 6. Computational photography and AI tools. Real-time retouching, background blur, lighting, Apple Intelligence integration. 7. Dynamic island enhancements, smoother animation, smarter multitasking, AI-driven context awareness. No. Here is the script for Section 1, around 5,000 words in natural paragraph form. No scenes, faceless tone. Section 1, design, colors and camera innovation. Wait for Apple's next big release is nearly over. And it's not just any phone, it's the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Every year, the iPhone takes small steps forward. But this time, something bigger is happening. Apple is preparing to launch what might be its most visually bold and technologically advanced phone yet. The leaks, the rumors, and the subtle clues all point to one clear message. This isn't just a regular upgrade, it's a statement. Let's start with the most eye-catching change, color. For years, the iPhone Pro lineup stuck to safe, serious colors: graphite, silver, black, deep blue, colors that said premium without being flashy. But this year, Apple is breaking tradition. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to launch with a completely new color, a striking copper orange, or what some are calling a metallic amber tone. This change isn't just cosmetic, it signals a shift in Apple's mindset. For the first time in a long time, the Pro model is designed not just to perform, but to stand out. The copper orange hue is unlike anything we've seen on a flagship iPhone. It's warm, bold, and full of personality. It reflects light differently, giving the phone a high-end finish that's more expressive than ever before. Early images show a subtle glow of orange around the camera module. It's not loud, it's refined, but it's definitely noticeable. And that has fans excited. Some think it might resemble a brushed copper look. Others hope for a burnt orange finish with bronze undertones. Whatever the final version ends up being, it's already generating buzz. In a world of silver and space black, this new look feels fresh. But this isn't the only color change coming. Apple seems to be expanding its color offerings across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. The standard iPhone 17 will move toward softer, more playful shades. We're talking about light blue, light purple, soft green, subtle silver, and gentle gray. These pastel-inspired colors are a clear effort to make the base models more stylish and appealing to a wider audience. Then there's the iPhone 17 Air, a rumored new addition to the family. This model is expected to be lighter and slimmer, targeting users who want power in a sleeker form. But it's not just about size, it's about style. The Air variant might come in shades like light gold and sky blue, tones that are elegant yet approachable. These new colors reflect Apple's goal to let users personalize their devices without sacrificing quality. All of these changes in color suggest something deeper. Apple is recognizing that smartphones aren't just tools, they're personal accessories. People want their phones to reflect who they are, and Apple seems ready to deliver more options to match different tastes and moods. It's no longer about one or two premium finishes, it's about giving people more ways to express themselves. But the changes go far beyond color. Let's talk about the camera. Apple is once again rethinking the design of the camera module, and it's not just for show. The camera system on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to get a serious upgrade to fit the new internal components, including a possible vapor chamber cooling system. Apple may need to shift the layout of the lenses. This change could result in a completely redesigned rear panel. One interesting detail: the Apple logo might move slightly. That may sound like a small thing, but Apple rarely adjusts logo placement unless something significant is happening under the hood. If the logo moves, it's a sign that the internal architecture has changed, making space for a larger camera system and improved thermal management. So, why all these changes to the camera design? Simple, because Apple is preparing to push photography and videography to the next level. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to include larger sensors. That means more light capture, sharper images, and better performance in low light conditions. Whether you're shooting at night or in bright sunlight, the new sensors will adapt more intelligently than ever before. Stabilization is also getting an upgrade. Shake your hands, no problem. Moving subjects, handled. The hardware improvements will allow for more precise corrections, resulting in smoother video and clearer photos even when you're on the go. This is great news for mobile creators, vloggers, and everyday users who want professional results without professional gear. Optical zoom is another area getting attention. The Pro Max is rumored to include advanced zoom capabilities, possibly. With folded lens tech, this could mean cleaner zoom shots even at high magnification levels. No more grainy images when you pinch in. Apple is pushing for sharp, stable zoom, perfect for travel shots, events, or candid moments. And yes, 8K video is on the table. Imagine capturing ultra-high-resolution video straight from your phone. Combine that with better sensors and advanced stabilization, and you've got a pocket-sized studio. But Apple isn't just stopping at hardware. Software is playing a massive role in how the new camera system will function. Enter computational photography with the help of Apple Intelligence. Apple's on-device AI framework, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, could change how we take photos. Forever, think real-time retouching as you snap the picture. Auto-enhanced lighting that adjusts dynamically. Background blur that understands depth and movement, all happening instantly. All processed on your device, no cloud. No delay. This means you can take a selfie and your phone automatically smooths the skin, adjusts the lighting, and enhances the background, all while keeping the details sharp and natural. No editing apps required. It's like having a mini Photoshop running in the background, except you don't even have to think about it. These AI tools won't just be for still photos either. They'll work in videos too. Smart scene detection could adjust exposure and focus on the fly, keeping your subjects clear even in tricky lighting. This level of smart photography could be the biggest leap forward since night mode. And then there's the dynamic island. First introduced in the iPhone 14 Pro, the dynamic island transformed how we interact with notifications and background tasks. It turned a static notch into an animated, responsive UI element. But in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple is taking it even further. Insiders say the dynamic island will become more fluid, with improved animation speeds and smoother touch response. But the real change is in how it works. Apple wants to make the dynamic island smarter, even context-aware. That means it won't just show music or timers. It could show real-time updates from your health apps, proactive calendar suggestions, or even navigation cues, all based on what you're doing in the moment. If you're working out, it might show your heart rate and activity rings. If you're in a meeting, it could surface reminders and tasks. If you're traveling, it might display live flight information or weather alerts. This is no longer just a wee gimmick. It's evolving into an adaptive layer, one that understands your needs and reacts in real time. And with iOS 19 coming pre-installed, this feature will work hand in hand with Apple Intelligence. Everything from notifications to voice commands will feel more natural and personalized. The goal is clear: seamless interaction without friction. In summary, Section 1 of the iPhone 17 Pro Max story is about bold design, meaningful upgrades, and a smarter user experience. From the new copper orange color to the redesigned camera module and smarter dynamic island, every change is deliberate. Apple isn't just improving the iPhone, it's redefining what a premium smartphone can be. These aren't just small tweaks. They're foundational shifts. They show Apple's willingness to evolve, to listen, and to innovate in ways that blend form, function, and personality. And this is just the beginning. In the next section, we'll dive into performance, AI features, connectivity, and the all-important release timeline. Stay tuned.